Raj lived in a small village where opportunities were scarce. However, he had a dream of becoming a skilled carpenter. He didn't have the money to buy fancy tools or attend a training school, but he didn't let that stop him. Every day, Raj worked at a nearby farm to earn some money and used his free time to learn carpentry by watching videos on an old, borrowed smartphone. He practiced tirelessly with simple tools he made himself. At first, his furniture looked rough and unfinished, but Raj didn't give up. He worked harder, listened to feedback, and improved his skills. Over time, his furniture became known for its beauty and quality. Soon, people from nearby villages started ordering from him. One day, Raj was invited to participate in a city competition for young artisans. Competing with people who had years of experience and expensive tools, Raj felt nervous. But he relied on his skills and hard work. To everyone's surprise, Raj won the first prize. Moral of the story: hard work and persistence can overcome any obstacle. Raj's story teaches us that dedication is the key to success. Raj is back in his village, teaching young kids carpentry under a big banyan tree. The kids are excited, and Raj looks happy, sharing his knowledge. Behind him, villagers are gathered, admiring Raj's journey. Choose the correct verb to complete the sentence. Raj, blank, every day to improve his carpentry skills. A. Worked. B. Works. C. Working. D. Work.